I love to experiment and dye my hair in different colors, and of course, I had to find the perfect brand for it. Meet Herbishh, vegan, semi-permanent hair color. Easy application, the non-drip formula of this hair color dye for gray coverage ensures a mess-free and hassle-free application process. With the ammonia-free formula, this hair color for women lets you enjoy a gentle coloring experience without hair damage, and it's kind to both your hair and the environment. It comes in different colors like Periwinkle, Ginger Flare, Cosmic Sunshine, Purple AF, and of course the one that I'm using, Blue Jean Baby. It is totally washable and it lasts up to 3 weeks. Infused with fatty acids and vitamins. My hair looks healthier after getting it colored than actually before. How crazy is that? Thanks to Herbishh. It's soft and manageable. Perfect if you're a beginner or a pro. Which color do you think I should try next? By the way, you can totally take a hair quiz to find out what is the best product for your hair. And did I mention there's also free shipping and free returns? Don't be boring, try a colorful look today.